I'm in the road, hands up, telling her to stop. Clearly look like a law enforcement officer. No brakes, no lights, nothing. She just keeps going, guns it.
I just saw a person in white and black, and then
doing this. Full,
he had one hand out, and it wasn't like he was in front of my car like that. He was just, he like literally was from the side, like completely the side. I wasn't going 60. That's a hearsay. I was not going 60. From 30 to 60, I can't just do that when I'm in the other line going over to the other side.
I am in a, she just told me, I saw him in my uniform. Right. Yeah. But. You, stop.
15 Delta 21, just confirming you're at the police department.
Hi there. Do you guys know whose white Mustang this is?
Tell her to come out. Yeah, what happened?
I'll let him know in a second.
It's my daughter's friend.
Okay. Yeah, can you have him step out? Hi. Do I look familiar?
Kinda.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement.
What?
I walked out, flagged you down, told you to stop, and you rapidly accelerated away from me.
What?
Yes, ma'am. It's all on body cam.
Because you just...
Nope, I walked out of the road and was telling you to stop.
You walked out on the
Yep,
road. You
correct,
didn't-
and I was telling you to stop. It's all on body cam. You're under arrest for fleeing and eluding law enforcement. Come here. And I'll be at 2793 Neverland Drive. I am a law enforcement officer, fully uniformed, telling you to stop because you're passing all those cars in a double yellow.
I passed one car.
You passed
I passed
multiple.
one car. I passed
It doesn't matter. You still fled law enforcement. And then you rapidly accelerated as you went by me. You didn't stop, didn't do anything, didn't even hit the brakes.
No, I was going the speed limit across.
No, you weren't.
Can I talk to someone else?
It was just me there. I don't know who you want to talk to. Who do you want to talk to?
Maybe your supervisor?
Yeah, he's on his way. You're more than welcome to. That's fleeing and eluding law enforcement. So.
And I'll be en route to 911.
Until we get a cage car here, she can have a seat if she wants, okay?
I'm calling, but there's, give her that chair to sit. She's not answering.
Is she at work? Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Go ahead and sit down for me. Do you have anything on you? Because I have a female that's going to come search you.
No.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, no, I literally was at Clubhouse and Pioneer. I hear her car accelerating rapidly, so I look, and she's in the middle of passing vehicles. Coming back over, I'm in the road, hands up, telling her to stop. Clearly look like a law enforcement officer. No brakes, no lights, nothing. She just keeps going, guns it. So, okay, that's fleeing and eluding.
All right.
So,
Can we go to court for this?
absolutely, you're going to be going to court no matter what.
And you said you have it on dash cam?
I have it on body cam.
Okay.
Even better, because I was right there.
On October 3rd, 2023, Officer Rhea of the new Smyrna Beach Police Department attempted to stop a white Ford Mustang on Pioneer Trail in Volusia County, Florida. The driver failed to stop. That single decision triggered a charge under Florida Statute, Section 316, 1935, fleeing or attempting to elude a law enforcement officer. Here is the legal problem. Subsection 1 of that statute specifies that the officer must be in an authorized law enforcement patrol vehicle with agency insignia, siren, and lights activated. Officer Rhea was on foot. No patrol vehicle, no lights, no siren. That gap is not a technicality. It is a statutory element the prosecution must prove. Florida courts have addressed this issue across multiple districts with inconsistent outcomes. The plain text of Section 316, 1935 requires a patrol vehicle. Defense counsel will cite that language at arraignment. However, Florida law provides an alternative charge path under Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. That statute applies to any uniformed officer's lawful command, regardless of whether a patrol vehicle is involved. Section 843.02 is a first-degree misdemeanor rather than a third-degree felony. It carries a lower penalty, but presents a significantly lower evidentiary threshold for the state attorney. The initial stop attempt was legally grounded. Officer Rhea had direct personal observation of a traffic violation, improper passing on a double yellow center line, prohibited under Florida Statute Section 316.087. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 United States 1, 1968, that observation established reasonable articulable suspicions sufficient to justify a stop. The legal basis existed. The execution created the problem.
9 X-ray 92. Can you start my rotation for the white Mustang in my call? Oh, you did? Disregard. I think 9 motor 11 already did it.
Yeah, they're in route. I don't think I put it in there yet.
Do you have the key to the car?
I'll get it.
Okay.
Hey, Dad. They're arresting me for fleeing and eluding. I passed in a double line, and then an officer came. I said, I'm getting arrested because an officer said I was fleeing and eluding. I was driving on Pioneer Trail. He came out and ran in front of, like, he half ran in front of my, like, he didn't even fully run in front of my car. And then, now I'm getting arrested for it because I parked at Mia's because he said I was fleeing. But he wasn't even behind me with lights on or anything.
Doesn't
like that.
matter. Don't need to be. Thank you. I absolutely don't need to have lights, sirens activated. I'm a fully uniformed law enforcement officer telling you to stop.
Do you have your laptop in there? I did. I don't know.
Can I talk to him?
Yeah.
Officer Rhea.
Okay.
Hey there, it's Officer Rhea, New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Do you have anything for school?
What officer who?
Officer Rhea with the New Smyrna Beach Police Department.
Am I
Hey,
gonna
Rhea,
go-
how you
Okay,
doing?
good. So, literally, I'm in the middle of the road. I'm a fully uniformed police officer telling her to stop. Not only does she not even apply the brakes, she rapidly accelerates away from me to the point where I have to jump in my car, which was parked several hundred feet away because I was investigating a hit and run crash. And now all of a sudden she's gone nowhere. So then I obviously find the car and make contact with her. So I don't need to have lights and sirens on behind her or anything like that. I'm a fully uniformed police officer. I was given clear hand signals to stop. And I have a witness who was the victim of my hit and run crash who watched the entire thing. So, you know, of course, that meets statute requirements for fleeing and eluding. I don't mean to be a jerk about it or anything like that, but that's where we're at, okay?
How far did she go from when you tried to gesture her to stop?
Over a mile when I was telling her to stop her vehicle. So she didn't try to pull off the road down the street, nothing like that.
Was she able to see you? Or?
Oh yeah, I am in a. She just told me I saw him in my uniform, so that's all I need. Like, and I know she saw me because I was about in the middle of the road to where before she would run me over, so I didn't want to get ran over because she was already doing 65 plus. So, you know, I have everything I need for fleeing and eluding. It is what it is. So she can take it to court. It's going to go to court no matter what. But that's what I have. It meets statute requirements. That's what we're doing.
The subject raised two defenses on scene. First, that no patrol vehicle with lights and sirens was present. Second, that she did not clearly perceive the officer as directing her specifically. Both arguments have partial legal merit, but one was immediately eliminated by her own statement. The subject admitted on scene, she saw Officer Rhea in his uniform. Under Florida law, the prosecution must prove the subject knew or should have known a law enforcement officer was issuing a command to stop. Her own admission satisfies the knowledge element for the prosecution. California v. Hodari D. 499 United States 621, 1991, holds that a seizure does not occur until a subject submits to authority, meaning the flight itself is what triggers criminal liability. The subject traveled over 1 mile past the point of the attempted stop without braking or acknowledging the officer's signal in any way. Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 United States 119, 2000, establishes that flight from law enforcement is a relevant factor courts may consider, though not conclusive proof of guilt standing alone. Officer Rhea also confirmed a corroborating witness, the victim from the original hit-and-run investigation, who observed the entire interaction from the roadway. Independent witness testimony on the knowledge element significantly strengthens the prosecution's position. The officer also identified himself as a certified speed measurement instructor during the encounter. That credential is legally significant. If the subject's speed becomes a contested fact at trial, Officer Rhea's professional qualification elevates his estimation from lay opinion to expert observation. The use of force analysis here is straightforward. Under Graham versus Connor, 490, United States 386, 1989, force is evaluated by objective reasonableness from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision. No force was used during this arrest beyond standard handcuffing and physical control. The officer transitioned the subject to front cuffing and facilitated family contact, neither required by law, but both within his discretionary authority.
Okay.
Okay, can you put her back on the phone?
Yeah, you're on speaker.
Hey.
Okay.
It's just her laptop.
Yeah.
I guess so, yeah.
Alright, you'll learn a lesson eventually, you know. So what are you gonna, have you contacted your mom yet?
She won't answer.
Okay,
She's at
so
work.
so you'll probably be in jail for the weekend then.
Yeah, okay.
So.
Because you're not gonna get out right away. Why were you going that fast down Pioneer Trail?
I passed one car. I passed one car because he was going like 30, and I passed him.
Okay, so when he waved
And it was a double yellow line, so I shouldn't have.
Why did what?
Because I didn't.
Quiet, or you'll stay in that place for a week. Listen to me. You hear me?
Yes, sir.
You hear me?
Yes.
You're good.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
So why didn't you pull over at the time when he waved you down to stop? Why didn't you stop?
Because it wasn't like he was. I really didn't even know. I just saw a person in white and black, and then
Doing this. Full.
he had one
fully-
hand out, and it wasn't like he was in front of my car like that. He was just, he like literally was from the side, like completely the side. I wasn't going 60. That's a hearsay. I was not going 60. From 30 to 60, I can't just do that when I'm in the other line going over to the other side.
Okay, so when he came to pull you over.
He didn't. He came over and found my car and pulled
It's
me
all on
over.
body cam, sir. I was almost in the roadway. The reason I didn't go all the way in the roadway is because she was going so fast I didn't want to get hit by her. Because obviously I could see that she was not slowing
65
down.
is just what he thinks.
Okay, sir, you were being so cocky.
I'm actually an
right now.
instructor for speed
That's
measurement,
not
so
even funny.
smart.
I'm not laughing.
I wouldn't be laughing. It's a felony. You committed a felony. Don't laugh at that.
Yeah, I mean, you're being cocky. You're not even being polite. You're not even using manners.
Yeah, this has been her the entire time, sir.
I know. That's what I don't get with her. It's just total ridiculous. So you don't understand what you just did. You
I
really
do.
don't. Oh, you do you? Really? Like, how do you understand what you're doing? Because you're being the whole time to me, too. So I can only imagine how you're speaking to an officer.
It's all on body cam. I've been trying to be respectful to her, but
Right, I don't get it. Like, so you just totally just screwed yourself inside and out for what you just did. Big time, because now your car's going to get towed to the impound. You're going to have to pay to get that out, too, now.
Yeah, he
You
said
know?
30 days.
yep. But there's going to be a 30-day hold on it. There's going to be a 30-day hold on it.
So your nursing stuff is going to be screwed up now, too, because you don't have no damn manners. And you know what? It's going to take something like this to f you up now, and now you're done because you're so arrogant and cocky the whole damn time when you could
Go
have
ahead.
talked to the officer normally, but you didn't. You had to be a real jerk, didn't you?
This is Tara.
I know you, Tara. You can't. He's got the body cam on. So you just totally screwed your whole shit up. Nursing degree, everything. You just did it because you're being Tara. Invincible. But guess what? You're going to spend a weekend in jail, and you'll see how invincible you are. And you know what? It might teach you a lesson now, maybe. You know? Because you just don't listen. That's the problem. You don't listen. So that cockiness finally caught up to you.
You just mind searching her real quick. Did you hear your dad?
Yes, sir.
All right, so when you get to jail, you get one phone
Good.
call.
Just follow her instructions.
So you better you figure out who you're gonna call, you know, to get you out of jail. So when you call your mom and start at her and stuff, she gonna make you sit. You call me, I'll make you sit too, because I'm not putting up with. You know, you got an attitude, Tara. It's got to change. It got to change. It's ridiculous. This might be your game changer. You know, you could have been probably polite to the officer from the get-go, and you probably wouldn't be in the situation you are right now. And I bet if you asked the officer that, your cockiness is probably what put you in that position right there. I guarantee it.
All right, she's getting searched right now by a female deputy. Do you have anything else for her? If not, we're gonna load her up and do some paperwork. Okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. No problem. Yep. Bye.
Now, the grades. The deduction is for creating an entirely avoidable statutory gap. By stepping into the roadway on foot rather than returning to his patrol vehicle and activating emergency equipment, Officer Rhea handed defense counsel the primary argument against the felony charge. Florida Statute, Section 316-1935, requires a patrol vehicle with agency insignia, siren, and lights. That procedure exists for a reason. It removes ambiguity about whether a driver knew she was being directed by law enforcement. Had Officer Rhea followed that protocol, there would be no viable defense to the fleeing charge. The subject receives a C-. She possesses a genuine statutory defense under Section 316-1935, and she systematically weakened it on scene. Her admission that she saw the officer in uniform eliminated the knowledge defense. Her extended on-scene argument produced additional recorded statements that can be used against her at trial. Every word spoken in custody, before Miranda warnings are issued during voluntary conversation, is admissible as a voluntary statement under the Fifth Amendment framework. The subject's statutory argument, no patrol vehicle, no lights, no siren, should have been reserved for counsel. The courthouse is where that argument belongs. The arrest scene is not. The subject receives credit for physical compliance after arrest and for raising a defense that has genuine legal merit. The C- reflects the gap between the strength of that legal position and the self-damaging conduct that preceded and followed the arrest.
Do any of you have a prisoner property bag?
Prisoner property bag.
Yeah, just so I'll put her phone and... Do you want to take your wallet or anything like that with you? You don't have a wallet or anything? Okay. You obviously want to take your phone with you, right?
Can I please?
Yeah.
Do you want me to try to call your mom for you and try to get?
I have her on dial right now if she doesn't answer.
I've called 5 times when you were here.
Okay.
She's at work.
You've reached the voicemail for Louise.
All right. I'm going to turn your phone off if you want to try calling her. Unless you want to talk to mom, we'll go over here, okay? So, all right. Actually, so you got jewelry on. Do you want to leave that with them and not bring it into the jail, like the earrings and stuff and your necklace? Because they're going to take it all off when you get there.
Can I take it out?
Yeah. So, well, do you want? Is this what are you to her friend, sister?
Yes.
Do you want her to take everything off and leave it
Not
with
my
her?
earrings.
Okay. Well, we can keep the earrings in.
Are the earrings gonna get taken out?
Yeah, but you'll have prisoner property at the branch jail.
Well, I don't. I'd rather her have them.
Okay. So if I uncuff you to have you take them out, you're not doing anything?
No.
All right. This is me being very nice by doing this. So.
They don't take them off.
Yep. And then if you're cool with me, I'll put them in the front. That way you don't have your hands behind your back the entire time. All right?
Mom. Never.
All right. Go ahead and take everything off. Hi. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
Family reunion.
Please, hi. This is Mia, Tara's friend. Mom.
Oh, Mom.
We have a problem. I'm gonna let her talk to you.
I'm getting arrested because I fleed an officer.
She's gonna need somebody to post a bond.
Anything else, any other jewelry?
Otherwise, she'll be stuck there all weekend.
Which police station she's going to go to?
She's gonna end up going off at 92 out there.
Volusia County Branch
at
Jail.
the branch jail.
Is that in Daytona?
Yep.
If you, I don't know if you have the money or if you need her debit card. Do you have money? I don't know.
She has my bank information.
But it's gonna be 10% of probably 2,500. And call it in the mail.
Are you able to show like a light or like a picture? Because I can't take these. Can I see that?
It's Friday.
Do I go to the camera so she can
She'll have to stay all weekend.
Okay, I'll go into it.
so she's not gonna have access to her phone, but if you get the bond, you might not be able to bond her out until she's in their system.
It's probably gonna be a couple hours when she gets in
It'll probably be
there.
a couple hours, because they're gonna have to fingerprint her, but as long as you get in touch with her.
Have you ever been arrested before for anything?
Or you can read the charges, it'll get done faster for her.
You still need this?
All right, thanks. Her phone's gonna be off. I don't know if you need me, call my brother. He has a name, he has my
I'll just send you a
information.
number.
Or I'll send you a message or whatever, but that's how it goes, okay? Her phone's gonna get turned off and she's going with the cop now. All right, thank you. Okay. All right.
Bye, Mom. I'll pick that up.
Anything else?
Yeah, all of these.
Okay.
So.
Nope, you're fine. Like I said, I don't want anything to get misplaced and all of a sudden you're out jewelry or anything like that. So.
It's not fun. Be prepared to be strip searched.
What strip shirts?
To take everything off.
Yeah.
And you bend over.
And now that you know that, if you do have anything on you and you introduce it into the branch jail, it's a felony, okay? All right, I'm just,
Oh, yeah.
I tell everybody I arrest
Yeah.
them. I'm gonna cuff her up front since seems like Dad's kind of talked a little bit of sense into her. Are you good with that? Are you good with that?
No.
Are you good with that though? Since she'll be in your car. Yeah. And is your guys' pool car available or no?
No.
Okay. No, it shouldn't take that long. I mean, I know how Jenkins is though. He's gonna want me to transport my own arrest. So.
Yeah, sorry.
Supposed to have a meeting at 12. I guess not.
No, this is my fault.
It is what it is. So.
Whose phone did I just get?
It's all on Bodycam too on the previous Signal 3. So it's like.
Or did I just hand it back? Whose phone do you have? That's mine. Oh.
This is mine.
Oh, he already has your phone, or did I?
Yeah, we already have it because she wanted to take that.
Yeah.
All right, good. Just go ahead and put your hands like this together up front. There you go. Just a little bit further out. You're good. Being very nice.
Normally, they're behind it.
Doesn't pop these off.
I'm double locking it. We're gonna go to his vehicle right here. Okay? Passenger.
Echo 10, Victor Romeo, November, White Chevy.
I don't want you to sit on the seatbelt. I'm just gonna buckle.
The lesson from this incident is precise and applies to both parties. For the public, a valid legal defense and the ability to invoke it effectively are two different things. Knowing that a statute requires a patrol vehicle is not enough. Announcing that argument on scene while simultaneously admitting you saw the officer in uniform converted a winnable statutory defense into a documented admission. The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent exists precisely for moments like this. Compliance at the arrest scene preserves legal options. On-scene argument, when recorded on Bodycam, closes them. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.